Hey, welcome back, Tophat Smoking Barbecue. What we got today is the bologna loaf. Got it online from Brian. Comes with two of them. I got one in the freezer. We're going to do one today. And what we're going to do is we're going to smoke it, do a couple things. We'll glaze it, and we'll probably cut it up in cubes, or we'll put a sandwich together or something. These it's a couple pound bologna loaf. It's not huge. So what we're going to do is we'll cut this red shipping label off, and then we'll show you what we're going to do. So there you go. It's just bologna. Brian, there's a highly recommended brand from other people I've been watching. So there you go. You can eat it just like this. It's already cooked. So we're just going to put our smoke on it and our style and whatever. So there it is. You can just slice this up, eat it, and be great. But what we're going to do is we're going to score some lines in it. About a ½ inch, ¼ inch. Just a couple every inch or two. Go diagonal. What it's going to do is it's going to help open this up while we're smoking it. Don't go too deep, but deep enough to get some stuff in there. And then when we get through this side, we're going to come across the other side, and it'll also just make it look cool, And then just take it back around to where you started, and we're almost there. And then we will go the other way. Now we'll start going the other direction, like this. And it's no rhyme or reason. It's, you don't have to be, you're not making art here. We're making bologna. So I'll finish this up and we'll show you what's next. Alright, so we got it all scored, and as you can see, it's going to, when it cooks, it'll open up. It'll give it like a diamond pattern. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a little mustard binder on there to help our rubs stick to it. We've done this with 1,000 times on every video we've done. Doesn't really do anything for taste. It just gives something to stick to it so the seasoning don't fall off. And don't have to be nothing special. What we're going to use is some salt, pepper, garlic, which is just a generic brand, but this is Malcolm Reed's How to Barbecue, right? Salt, pepper, garlic. I just have a big bag and just whatever shaker I had laying around. So we're going to get some nice salt, pepper, garlic flavor on there. Alright. And then we're going to actually use Gospel Barbecue Rub from Meat Church. It's pretty good stuff. I've used it a few times. That'll give it a good color and a little sweet and a little heat flavor in there. It's really good stuff. Once I get done this, we'll take it over to, I didn't tell you, we're going to do it in a pit barrel today. And we'll let it on the smoke on the pit barrel probably for about 3 hours. And then we'll glaze it, and we'll show you all that fun stuff as we get there. But you can do it on any smoker you have. If you have a pellet or whatever you got, just run it at about 250 and 3.5 hours or whatever. You don't have to worry about a temp. Temperature is not something that we care about. It's already cooked. You're just getting it to a feel or a look or whatever. So we'll show you what we're going to get. We'll run it over to the smoker and we'll put it in there. See you at the smoker. Alright, we're out here at the Meat Town with the pit barrel. As you can see, it's cold out. We got snow, a few days of snow here. Put some cherry chunks in there, cherry wood chunks. So we're going to just lay this right on this grate, just like that. We're going to put this other rebar in there because that's what they tell you to do. And then we're just going to let it sit there for a couple of hours. We'll come back and show you periodically what it's looking like. Wanting to roll. There we go. So there you go. Pit barrel, cherry wood. Now it's cold out, so the pit barrel might not run at 250, but it'll run, and we'll cook it for 3.5, whatever we feel like it takes. But like I said, you can put it in your pellet grill or whatever you have 250, 3.5 hours, then glaze it, or do whatever you want. It's just bologna. Make it your way. Alright, it's been a little bit over an hour, so we're back out here. Let's see what we got. Alright, that's what I wanted to see. See where the score line is starting to open it up. Looks pretty cool. This little spritz of apple cider vinegar and a little apple juice. We're going to turn it now. Spritz it. A little dark on the bottom side, no big deal though. It's flavor. There we go. It's really opening up there. So there we go. Alright, it's been about 2.5 hours, so let's see what we got. We're getting very close, I'm sure. Woohoo! Looking good. Man, that looks really good. We're going to just spritz it a little bit. We're not going to roll it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start making our glaze. And all it's going to be is Sweet Baby Ray's and Kosmo Q's rib glaze, peach jalapeno. Really good stuff. 1/4 cup of both. Put it in a pot. We'll come back half hour or so and show you when we're ready to glaze. Alright, here we are. A little bit more light on the situation. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it into the garage and carve it. But I'm just going to show you what we did get the internal temp up to. We got it up to almost what, 159, 160. Perfect. Like I said, we could have ate it cold if you wanted to. Alright, I'm going to take it in the garage, I'm going to slice it, and we'll show you what we're going to do. Alright, here it is, the final masterpiece. So we're going to just go right through here. Look at that. Woo! So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice me off a hunk like this. Just like that. And I'm going to take this out to the grill and char it. So we'll see you out at the grill. Okay, here we are. We're out at the grill. We're going to throw it down here and char it. Toast our buns. Ain't going to take long. 30 seconds or something to each side. It's just giving it some char. We could have ate it without doing this, but I wanted to char it. So we'll do this and then we'll show you how we're going to build our sandwich. Okay, back at it. We charred it up a little bit on the grill. Charred our buns up. Put a little piece of cheese on there. Now we're going to make ourselves a little sandwich. See what we got. A little bit of mustard. A little bit of onion. Let's put this little sucker on there. Boom. I mean, you don't have to make a sandwich. You could cube it up, do whatever you want, but let's see what we got here. It looks pretty good to me. Hot. That's really good. Fantastic bologna flavor, really pops. Smoke's not overbearing. The glaze gives it that nice sweet with a little bit of heat. That's a pretty good sandwich, so here you go. Get yourself a little bologna loaf, 250 for 3 hours. Glaze it up. You got some seriously good smoked bologna. Any way you want it. There you go. We'll see you next time. Tophat Smoking Barbecue. Hey, hope you liked that video. It was a lot of fun to make. Hope you guys try it out. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you want to watch some more of our videos, click here. So Tophat Smoking Barbecue, we thank you.